Nadina Bryan here at Hinterland Veterinary Surgery. Today we're just doing a urine analysis. So the equipment I need today is distilled water to calibrate the refractometer. Then I've also got some wipes, some Kim wipes for the refractometer. I've got my Choiceline 10 to determine the results. I've got my urine with the patient name, details, as well as the date it was taken. So it was taken today, the 6th of the 10th, 2018. It was taken from a canine and it was taken midstream, which the owner had brought in. I also have 2 1ml syringes and I have gloves for PPE. So today I'm just going to put on those gloves. Going to open my syringe in an aseptic manner, draw up a little bit of the distilled water, open up the refractometer and place 1 drop onto the refractometer, and then just going to calibrate the refractometer, making sure that it's on 0. And once that's done, I'm going to use a Kim wipe and just gently wipe off the distilled water and place it back into the case so then it's safe. So I'm going to open up my urine jar, open up a separate syringe in an aseptic manner. And place 1 droplet onto each section. And then I'm going to allow that to sit for 60 seconds in order for it to be able to properly analyse the urine. So I'm putting the excess urine back into the container and putting the lid on just in case you accidentally spill the urine. I'm going to also save that and put that one in the fridge in case the veterinarian wants to complete any further examinations or processes with it. With the 2 syringes, I'm going to put that into the general waste bin, as well as the paper and the Kim wipe into the general waste bin. So while that's settling, I'm going to use the same syringe that I drew up the urine with. I'm going to place 1 drop of the urine onto the refractometer. Again, putting the excess back in, discarding of the syringe, and then going to look into the refractometer and record the recording. So it's 10:23. I'm going to write down the specific gravity and place that back in here. I'm not going to wipe it off just in case the veterinarian wants to have a look herself. So I'm going to tap off the excess after 60 seconds on the urine slip. Then I'm going to compare our results with the recommendations and just record each one. So first recording the pH, which is +2 or 6.5. Recording that on the sheet. The LEU, which is negative. ERYHB, which that is also negative. The night, that is +1 or positive. KET, that is also +1 or 0.5. I always put that one in brackets. The BIL, is also negative. UBG is normal. Protein is negative. And glucose is normal. So with that one as well, I'm not going to discard, I'm just going to keep it here again in case the veterinarian wants to double check my results. So on this form here, I've recorded all the patient's results, so then the veterinarian can have a clear view of what's going on. For this particular one, we didn't have to spin down the urine, although if we did, I would use a clear urine cup, put in about anywhere between 5 and 9 mils of urine, pop it in and pop it into the stat spin on the urine sediment, and then once that's done, I would extract 3/4 of the urine into the sink, and then put the lid back on, flick it so then the urine can mix around with any crystals that are possibly in there, extract a little bit and put it onto a slide, at which I would do one wet slide and one dry slide. So I put one drop on each slide, put a cover slip over the wet slide, and with the dry slide I would then hair dry it down so it's dry, dip it into each stain several times and rinse it off with water, and then hair dry it again so then it's stained and the vet can then have a look. So with the disposal of my material, I'm going to take off the gloves, put that into the general waste bin, as well as the syringes and any excess waste. I'm going to leave all this here for the veterinarian to have a look at. The urine, make sure that the lid's on properly and stored in the correct facility that the veterinarian wanted. So for this one, it was in the fridge, just in case we need to run further tests or send it away. And that's how you do a urine analysis.